So if I wanted to use Stitch, what I would actually do is go down here and click on share. Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Quincy, and thank you for stopping by the channel. I want to share with you a new feature on TikTok called Stitch. It allows you to click share, and once you click share, one of the many options is going to be Stitch. With Stitch, you can trim the video to your liking and then record a video right after it. So this is also kind of a way where you can react to a video if you want, but not be in the top corner, you know, as the old version is. You could show a video and then right after comment whatever you want to say after. I'm probably going to use it for showing a video and then maybe doing my take on the video or doing something similar that the video did. It's also kind of a way to maybe even have a conversation. You can watch a video on TikTok of someone saying something, and instead of letting them finish, trim it and then add what you want to say at the end as if it was a two-way conversation. But let me show you how it works. Check it out. So I actually have a video that I put in my favorites, and it's this one right here. Now he says Drake performs outside of my window. Now I could zoom in, but this lens is a little different. But that is not Drake. That's a dark-skinned brother. Matter of fact, this is actually his profile, and he's of course being funny. This is his profile right here. And he's actually the one singing outside of this house, but he said Drake performs outside my window, so he's being funny. But anyway, so if I wanted to use Stitch, what I would actually do is go down here and click on share, and then you will see Stitch is the option right here. Click on Stitch, and I could stop, I could trim it to right there. And since he said this is Drake outside of my window, what I would do is now hit next, and then of course it's going to show me with the camera, and then I would hit record, and if I didn't have the camera, just use your imagination, but I would hit record and be like, man, that is not Drake outside your window. Man, Drake got a tan if that's Drake. Woo, man. And of course that would be it, and then you would hit next. Man, that is not Drake outside your window. Man, Drake got a tan if that's Drake. Woo, man. And that's pretty much how you do Stitch. You're pretty much just simply recording a video right after it. I've already checked, and you can't upload an existing video after it. It has to be something you record right then and there. However, you can change it from 15 to 60 seconds. So hey, if you like this review, if you like this information on this new feature on TikTok, go ahead and give this video a like. If you want more tutorials or how-tos for TikTok, hey, leave a comment, let me know, and I'll try to get those to you also. Alright, later.